Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new recipe which are the high protein pancakes. These pancakes are full of proteins, they are soft and you can eat them with many ingredients. Honey, maple syrup, marmalade, fruits, nuts, whatever you like. Let's get started. Let's start mixing the dry ingredients. I start with the oat flour, wheat flour, vanilla whey protein, coconut sugar, the baking powder, and finally a bit of salt. Then I'm going to whisk everything well. Then I'm going to make a well with a spoon in the center. Now we will add the eggs, the skyr, and a bit of vanilla. Now you will have to whisk everything and add some milk slowly. So it has to be like that. Then you can put it in the fridge for around 30 minutes because the oat flour needs to absorb the liquid in order the pancakes are fluffy and soft. I'm going to grease the pan with a thin layer of oil with a bit of paper. The pan has to be used over medium heat, more or less at 70% of the maximum power. After 30 minutes in the fridge, we are going to pour a small ladle of butter in the pan. So here is the final result of our high protein pancakes. You can use many ingredients for the flavor, fruits, nuts, honey, maple syrup, whatever you like. And if you like the video, please put a little like, share it to a friend, and I will see you later for other content on my channel. Thank you.